GoPro has officially launched the Max 2, its first true 8K 360 action camera and successor to the original 2019 Max. Entering a market now defined by DJI Osmo 360 and Insta360 X5, the Max 2 is aimed at creators who want the highest resolution immersive video possible. GoPro claims Max 2 is the only action camera capable of capturing true 8K 60 frames per second, delivering 21% more resolution than rival videos for sharper details and greater flexibility. It's available for pre-order at $500 with shipping beginning on September 30th, 2025. It's compatible with 16 GoPro mounts and accessories designed for 360 cameras sold separately. These are some of the features that they claim: 8K 30 frames per second 360 video, 5.6K 60 frames, and 4K 100 frames 360 video modes. Single lens capture at up to 4K 60 or 1080p 60. 29 megapixel 360-degree photos and 12 megapixel single lens still. GP log plus 10-bit log recording. Hyper smooth stabilization both 360 and single lens mode. Specialized capture modes 360 time wrap, night mode time lapse. Advanced features via GoPro Labs include dual hemisphere capture, 300 Mbps, high bitrate recording, and expanded exposure tools. One of the standout features it's a 6 mic array, which GoPro claims deliver industry-leading audio performance. It supports ambisonic audio capture, works with wireless mics. Connectivity is Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6, USB-C 3.0. Cloud uploads via GoPro's auto upload. You need subscriber feature for this, and storage you get single micro SD card slot. It is waterproof up to 5 feet. It weighs 195 grams. It has folding mounting fingers. You get twist off replaceable lens covers for quick field repairs. It gets built-in GPS. It includes a new Fluid Pro AI gimbal, a 3-axis stabilizer designed for GoPro cameras, smartphones, and compact cameras up to 400 grams. You get AI subject tracking, interchangeable mount for different devices, integrated fill light for low light shooting, 18 hours runtime for single charge. It launches on October 21st, 2025 for $230.